Understanding workshop date, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase workshop date. This term is commonly used in professional and educational settings, and understanding its meaning is key to navigating such environments. Stay tuned as we break down this phrase and its usage in simple terms. First, let's understand what a workshop is. A workshop is a meeting or a session focused on a particular subject, where a group of people engage in intensive discussion and activity on that subject. Workshops are often interactive and designed to teach or improve specific skills. Now, let's look at the word date. In this context, a date refers to a specific day or time when an event is scheduled to occur. It's not just about social or romantic meetings, as some might think. Combining these two, workshop date refers to the specific day or time when a workshop is scheduled to happen. It's important in planning and organizing, as it helps people know when they need to be available to participate in the workshop. To give you a better understanding, let's see some examples. The workshop date for the photography course is next Thursday. Can you confirm the workshop date for the team building session? Sometimes, people confuse workshop date with the duration of the workshop. Remember, the workshop date refers to when it starts or occurs, not how long it lasts. That's all about workshop date. I hope this video clarifies the term for you and helps you use it correctly in your conversations and plans. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning videos. See you next time.